Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you the 736-251 for progression, which I did in the key of F sharp, but I'll be doing it in the key of F. A couple of people requested it in the key of F sharp, in the key of F rather. I remember at Rika Manti, The Great Man, Ijam Isaiah, and a couple of others requested this movement in the key of F major. So if you've not watched the video where I did this in the key of F sharp, I'm going to leave the link up here. I'm going to leave the link up here and you can go and watch it in the key of F sharp, but now we are going to be doing it in the key of F. If you've not subscribed, go and subscribe now before we start. Please, Ebe, go and subscribe. Oh yeah, go and subscribe. Thank you. All right. So, what's the movement in the key of F sharp? In the key of F rather. So it's normally it's the 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. But now, so let's use this song. Never could have made it without you. Never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all, but now I see how you are there for me. So now the movement is 7 3 6 7 3 6 7 7 3 6 2 5 1. Beautiful, right? So never could have. Five. Woo. So using that in a song. Never could have made it without you. Never could have made it without you. I thought I lost it all, but now I see how you're there for me. I'm stronger, I'm wiser. Woo! So, what did I do there? On the 7, I played a tritone on my left hand. So which is your D and your A flat, while on my right hand I did a lead note. So you see, beautiful. Then to the 3, if on a 4 from the F sharp to the F sharp major chord, which is with your second inversion, so do mi, and then an F major, so do mi 2, so do mi, so On your left hand, you've got a tritone, a C sharp tritone, or D flat tritone. And then for your 6. And then for your so for the 6, we are playing in our left hand the second inversion, which is your F major 7th. Your first inversion is Do Mi So Ti. Your root chord Do Mi So Ti, F major 7. The first inversion Mi So Ti Do. The second inversion is what? So Ti Do Mi. And then the third inversion is, so you can actually, so that's another kind of 6 actually. So like maybe you do, you get the glory, you get the praise, you take the honor. Can you see that? I bless your name. You get the glory. So don't let us deviate from the point. So it's 7, 3, 6, and then I like to do this 2. What did I do there? And on my right hand, I'm just inverting the A flat with an E tritone on my left hand, and then did the same thing on the key of A. Woo! For the 2. So that 2 movement is all going to happen on the key on the 2. You see? So all that is just on the 2. So let's use that in the context. Never could have made it without you. Never could have made. This is the 5 now. So let's use a song. Has the dance panted for 2, then 5. The waters, then 1. So my soul panted down to you. You alone. For the 2, I just love that. So you can actually do a lick like. So the good thing about this is the application is endless. So has that the expected fall 2, then to your 5, woo, then to your 1, 4. Slowly. See that grace. A drop down from the F sharp major second inversion to the F major second inversion with a tritone. Then Then 2, 5. Is it there? I can actually do. Then put it up. That's one nice one. So again, the movement in the key of F major. So 7 with this nice tritone. 3, 6. You can actually also do up. I hope that helps. So if you have not liked, comment, and subscribe, please kindly do. And also feel free to drop a comment if you like this. And also if you want it in other keys, or if you want me to do one or two things for you, I'm more than ready to do it for you. To play it for you, whether in any key you want to do it, or if you need me to play a movement, a 5-1, 1, you know. If you need me to do any, you see.